you're back. Yes, this is the video that I'm going to be showing you 2-layer textured art. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Dwaja and I make home decor videos, something that includes refurbishing or DIYing and probably just thrifting. If you like to watch those type of videos, or if you are a person who does that on everyday basis, you will definitely like the videos that I have posted on my channel. So check out right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Lastly, don't forget to leave your comment, because you know what? That helps me to create some new content, to get your ideas and improve my content for that. So yes, don't forget to do that, and let's jump into today's video. So today's video is about textured paste. Now, I look a year back, I posted a video regarding the same topic and it seems like you guys like that a lot. At this point, I have 50,000 views on that. Very grateful and thankful for that. So in the first part, you saw that how to make a textured art paste. I'm going to be using same paste to make today's textured art. I recorded the video at the same time. It's just that I had to split the video in 2 parts so that you have a better understanding of textured art and of course you enjoy watching it. So yes, without wasting a minute, let's get started.
If you remember, I made this paste in my very first video and I'm using the same paste again to make this textured art. If you have seen my previous video about 2-layer textured art with just white daisy flowers, you might have an idea that I've used it in that. So I'm trying to repeat the same process here. In this textured art, I'll need 2 pastes, actually 3 pastes. One in white color, another one in green color, and the last one a tiny bit in yellow color. So I'm setting up my white textured paste aside and I'll use it whenever I need it. After putting that aside, I realized I might need a little bit more paste to make it in a green color. So I added a little bit of Spackle and added a little bit of glue to make the consistent paste. I mixed them well, and once it was perfectly mixed, it was looking smooth and nice. It was holding swirl, and then I decided to add color for my base. For this textured art, I'm trying to make a green color base, and I'm going to be using 2 different shades of green. One is a pretty dark green, which will go lighter green, minty green when it's been added to the paste. I added it to the paste, swirled it really nice. I made sure that it's completely incorporated in my paste. After that, I added a light green, was more like a leafy green, to give the desired color. I was constantly mixing them for 1 or 2 minutes and I just made sure that there are no lumps. The color and paste are completely banded together. Once I have it there, I spread that on my frame as a base. And I think I've used the same reference in my previous videos as well, so you might have an idea that why am I using green color background. Well, I really wanted the second layer, which is my actual design, that is flowers, in white color. Now if I do white on white, it will not really give that much of character to my textured art than working with the colored paste. So as a background, I'm using green color, so when I actually make the designs, white color designs on top of that, it enhances what I'm trying to make. And for this design, I actually tried 3 different ways to make flowers. The very first is that I took the paste on the back of my popsicle stick and made the flowers just like this. It was working pretty good, but if you can see here, it was still leaving some patches. So for the second trick I did is I tried to make the outline of flowers with my Ziploc bag. I cut the corner in the Ziploc bag and tried to make a flower outline from that. And once I had that outline made, I just used my knife to spread the texture paste evenly in the flower. And that was actually giving really nice texture to the flower. And it was giving me a room to make different shapes that way. So that was the second way I made my flowers. And if you can see here that I let my first layer dry for about a day. So if I make flowers on that and that's a fresh paste, when I take off the fresh paste, it will not take off the actual paste that is already there for more than 24 hours. So that's the best part of 2-layer textured art. And to hide some imperfections, I used the green paste again and I overlapped the mistake with that. So yeah, it was looking completely fine after repairing. And the third and the best way, the easiest way I made my flower is I used my palette knife. I took the paste on the back of my palette knife and started to make flowers. Now, if you can see the textured flowers, they are made from the outlines. The other ones that you can see, they are made from popsicle stick. So maybe you can have an idea which one goes the best for you. These are the 3 ways that I made my flowers, and I wanted a different kind of texture on that. So I think I really liked it this way. And just to make pistil, I added a yellow color into my white paste and mixed it really well. And I started putting on the center part of my flower. Keep in mind, the green layer, I let it dry for 24 hours. On top of that, flowers, I let it dry for another 24 hours. And then I'm making a pistil on these flowers. So this was my last step. And I let the entire textured art dry for about 2.5 days. And I was pretty much done with that.
So I hope you've enjoyed my 2-layer textured art. Super easy, isn't it? So if you've enjoyed, don't forget to leave a comment for that, like, comment, and subscribe, because that helps me to create new content, and also that motivates me a lot. That gives me a lot of new suggestions, ideas, and of course we have a platform to share thoughts, right? So don't forget to do that, and I will see you in the next video.